Right? Those chiropractor versions are so nice. That's why this back stretching mat honestly surprised me. This back stretching mat uses air compression just like the ones at the chiropractor's office. It has 8 stretch modes and 3 intensity levels. You can literally feel your spine decompress as it inflates. I've seen so many people in the comments say they bring it with them to work or use it while watching TV. On my end, it's showing a sale right now and it folds up easily for storage. So if you've ever wanted that same relief at home, this is it. Don't forget to exhale and allow this back stretching mat to take you into deep relief mode.